Hi, welcome to Centering on Children. I'm Ron Larson, and this is my assistant, Aiden. Today we're going to look at the shoebox task, the basic curriculum. When you open the box, there'll be peanuts in here. And today, for sake of time, we don't have peanuts, but the way it's put together is the same every time. We have 2 stacks of 8 bases, and one stack has lid number 13 with literature, and then the loose materials are bagged within it. The other stack, again, 8 bases with the loose material inside, and lid number 5. Between the 2 stacks of bases are 14 lids, so a total of 16 lids. And then we have the containers all taped together and a foam block for task number 13. So, Aiden, I'm going to take the top box out, and if we lay these are all generic boxes. There are no numbers on them. Okay, and we're going to lay them out. I find that's it. So right now we have the 14 bases, no numbers. We have lid number 5, and you'll notice on some of these lids there are little guide holes here, and that's for the Velcro to go on. That will be in the bag that is associated with the lid. So I think what we'll do now is this particular bin, which is bin 5, has the loose materials for tasks 1 through 8, and they're all numbered. This is task number what? 8. Number 8. So we can just put that in any generic box. Base number 5 is the only base that is numbered and needs to be paired with lid number 5. Okay. And what's this? 9. And here's the generic base.
Wait, we're at
Right there. There you go. Okay. Now we have the lids to match up with them. All the lids are numbered. Again, lid 1. Remember where 1 is? Here's foam block number 13. Then we have our containers. Okay, we'll just take the tape off. Now you'll notice on the lids the large openings. And each of those large openings is going to get one of the large containers. So you have 2 size containers right here. Now for every large hole in the lid, there'll be a container that goes with it. Awesome. Now, where do you suppose these containers go? There are 4 containers with 2 lids. You got it.
And number 16.
Right. And the 2 lids go there as well. Very nice. So along with, we now have all our lids, all our containers, all our manipulatives in each of the bases. So all you need now is a picture, and our directions for the basic curriculum that come with it have very nice diagrams. So the next step for you would be to, with the materials you have in place, look at the picture, and you'll be able to just put it all together. I hope these activities work well for your student, for your child, for your client. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. I appreciate all the assistance from my man Aiden. Thank you. And
welcome.
I hope your shoebox served you well.